Hello everybody, welcome back. A real busy day, so I'm going to whiz through this. Essentially, anything that is on Binance is going to go up, but for me personally, anything that begins with E is definitely going up. So obviously we've all witnessed the impressive power of E-Gold, but let's focus on EOS just for one little moment, okay? So we've got this weekly that we've been waiting for a weekly close of this strength for quite a while. Now, we haven't technically got that itchy cloud conversion baseline cross, but it's good enough. Good enough for me. We're above the cloud at the moment. Holding above this cloud on a candle body close like this is good. This is a weekly, by the way, so again, this can take time. It can be slow. Go to the daily. Let's have a look what we see. Really still pushing the outer rim of this Bollinger Band. I'm not saying that it's going to go to the moon or anything quite yet, but everything's looking pretty good. So divergence is taking place. In theory, we've almost got the right spread. We've got the 20 moving averages just below the 50, so it's not quite right yet, but it is looking okay. I mean, divergences from these oscillators also. This is going to be a slow burn, but when it gets going, it is going to get going. It actually still might take a week or two for it to really take off. At the end of the day, when we've got a chart that looks like this, it's been consolidating for such a long period of time, and we've been accumulating in this volatile range here, I still would expect to see a rejection at this level, at this point in this. I suppose you could call it a recovery more than any kind of cycle or anything. So yeah, I still would expect to see a pullback around here, but the difference will be on the support that we find ourselves when we do pull back from there. So I'm not too concerned about coming up to here and pulling down and pulling back again. What I would be looking to see would be for the unlike these pullbacks where it just smashed through all the moving averages, I would actually prefer to see it come back down to test them and then use them as support and then launch from there. So for all the EOS haters and the people that think it's a dead token, and they say, I told you it was going to reject from there, you idiot. Well, yeah, I mean, that's obviously the place that it's most likely to get rejected from. We've had 1, 2, 3 significant rejections from there. A fourth one, perfectly fine. In fact, I might even sell a bit there myself, but at the same time, it's not about where it gets rejected from. At this point, it's from where it gets supported from. If we end up having a massive calamity like these previous times, where it just goes up to the top and comes straight back down below the moving averages, up straight to the top, below the moving averages, up to the top, straight below the moving averages. If in this instance we come up to the top and then these moving averages are like this, and then basically we come up to the top and come back down to test it, I would like to see something like this, and then essentially we move all the way up to the top and out, and then we fulfill our next target, which is up here around about $5.30. So that's the deal short term with EOS. That's kind of what I'm expecting, and I'm also expecting to hear some people criticise me going, I told you it was going to get rejected from there. Ethereum, quick blast on Ethereum. This is the deal with Ethereum. So basically, it's gearing up for a move. This is it on the daily. As you can see, it's been consolidating at a high level, reaccumulating at a higher level, riding up these moving averages. Had a decent pullback yesterday. Now look, launching from the 10 exponential. I would expect that this is the candle that takes us to a new all-time high on this daily. If not today, then tomorrow. CME futures, from what I understand, just started the Ethereum futures trading as well. Not that I'm going to hold a great deal of weight on that immediately, but over time it will gain momentum and will end up meaning something. So today is the day for anything beginning with E, and we'll focus on anything that begins with E. Like I say, I'm really busy, so I can't really hash these charts out, but essentially that is the deal in a nutshell. I'm not looking for these big cap coins like Ethereum and EOS to make extreme moves like the things we've seen in the mid to lower cap coins, but I am seeing some decent signatures, some decent progression on those charts actually. So I think when the rotation is goes back around again from these smaller caps which are moving like 25, 40, 50%, 100%, people are going to take profits, and where they're going to put them in. They're going to put them in the top players. Bitcoin, and I would actually say Ethereum at this point still. And so long as Ethereum is healthy, the altcoin market is still healthy. So I'll leave it with you there, but thank you for watching. I hope you have a nice day and take it easy.